My friend, pause whatever else you're doing for just a moment, because something amazing is happening inside of you right now. Something you might not always feel, or see, or remember. Your body, quietly, faithfully, endlessly, is healing right now as you listen. Every cell is working in your favor. Every breath is a partnership with life, and you are far more powerful and capable of wellness than you may have believed. And if that sounds a little too sweet, or too hopeful, or too good to be true, I want to acknowledge something first. You may not feel great today. You might be tired, worn down, overwhelmed, or maybe dealing with something in your body that feels like a mystery, or a frustration, or even an enemy. Maybe you're sitting through pain or discomfort, or the stress of not knowing what comes next. Maybe your body has surprised you in ways you didn't sign up for. You are not alone in that. And you're not wrong for feeling uneasy or discouraged or even angry about it. Healing isn't always sparkles and magic wands. Sometimes it's slow and confusing and messy. Sometimes it feels like we're doing everything right and nothing's changing. And sometimes we secretly worry that our body has forgotten how to take care of us. But here's the truth that changes everything. Your body is not broken. It is not against you. It is not confused about its purpose. Your body is always, every second, moving toward balance, toward repair, toward wellness, even when you sleep, even when you're not paying attention, even when you're stressed or afraid or doubtful. Your body wants to heal, and it knows how to heal. You don't have to force it. You just have to stop getting in its way and give it what it needs. And that's what we're exploring today. A new relationship with your body, not one built on frustration, fear, or criticism, but one built on trust, appreciation, and support. Because healing isn't just a medical journey, it's a mindset, it's an energy shift, it's a conversation between your thoughts, your beliefs, and your cells. And you don't have to believe me blindly. You have lived this already. Think of every time your body closed a cut, mended a bruise, fought off a cold, or helped you recover from a long day. Think of every breath you've ever taken without consciously thinking about it. Your body is brilliant. It does things every moment that science still can't fully explain, and it does these things without you having to micromanage it. But here's where the struggle sneaks in for almost everyone. The thoughts we think and the stories we tell ourselves often work against our healing. We don't mean to do it. We're not intentionally sabotaging ourselves. But we forget every thought we repeat is instruction, and the body listens. When we're frustrated and tell ourselves nothing is working, the body hears that and slows down. When we say, "I'm always tired," the body learns to conserve energy. When we think my body is falling apart, our nervous system actually becomes more protective, more tense, more defensive, and that slows healing too. But the beautiful flip side is also true. When we tell ourselves, "My body knows exactly what to do," or "I am getting better every day," or "I am safe and supported," the body shifts in that direction. Muscles soften, the nervous system relaxes, the immune system becomes more efficient, circulation improves, hormones stabilize, cells repair faster. We literally heal better when we feel supported. This is the power of alignment. Not wishful thinking, not pretending everything is perfect, just choosing thoughts that point your body in the direction it's already trying to go. So, today, we're leaning into that. We're giving the body what it's been waiting for. Trust, encouragement, rest, nourishment, and permission to heal with confidence. Let's start with something simple. Take a slow breath in. Doesn't have to be dramatic or fancy or yogi approved. Just breathe in slowly, like you're inhaling clarity, and exhale, like you're dropping a backpack full of rocks you didn't realize you were carrying. Feel that instant shift? Your nervous system does. Breath is the body's way of saying, I'm safe. And healing only happens fully when the body believes it's safe. Now let's talk about something most people never learn growing up. The way our thoughts influence our biology. You are not just a bag of muscles, bones, fluids, and organs. You are an ecosystem, mind, body, emotions, and spirit working together. And the mind is the storyteller that directs the whole show. When you think thoughts of fear, doubt, panic, or frustration, your body moves into survival mode. In survival mode, your body's priority isn't long-term repair, it's protection. It reroutes energy to muscles, to rapid reactions, to inflammation, because on a biological level, it thinks you're in danger. But when your thoughts shift to peace, confidence, trust, and hope, your body finally says, oh, we're okay. I can go back to what I'm built for, healing. This is not magic. This is biology. Thoughts change hormones. Hormones change healing. Healing changes everything. So now let's move into something that will feel good. Affirmations. Spoken truth your body recognizes as nourishment. And if you're thinking affirmations feel weird or cheesy, I hear you. Many people feel awkward talking nicely to themselves. But think about this. You talk to yourself all day anyway. Why not make those conversations helpful? So if you're comfortable, repeat these quietly or aloud, or just let them land in your mind like little seeds planting themselves in fertile soil. My body knows how to heal. I am gentle with myself as I grow stronger. Every cell in my body is working in my favor. I release worry and welcome trust. I am safe in this moment. My body listens and my body responds. Healing is happening now, even if I can't see it yet. I treat myself with compassion and patience. I am worthy of full health and vitality. I choose peace, and my body follows. Take another slow breath. Let it out. Notice your shoulders relaxing without you asking. Now let's talk practical daily steps, tiny things that create massive change when repeated. Healing isn't always about big, dramatic decisions. It's about small, consistent choices, like redirecting your mind when it wanders into worry, giving your body a chance to recharge, or drinking water before coffee. Little habits that tell your body, I care. Here are a few healing principles anyone can follow. First, rest. Not just sleep, permission to pause. Most people never give their nervous system a break. We rush, we push, we grind, we react. And the body never gets to switch from defense to repair. So once a day, for even 1 minute, consciously rest. Sit without scrolling, breathe without analyzing. Stare out a window and let your mind wander. Your cells will take that as an invitation to heal. Second, hydration. I know, it's not glamorous, but water is fuel for every healing function your body performs. Think of hydration as the oil in your internal engine. Without it, everything slows, clogs, and strains. When you drink enough water, you lubricate your system's ability to repair, detox, digest, and energize. You don't need perfection, just intentionality. Third, gentle movement. Movement reminds your body you are alive. It boosts circulation, which is basically the delivery service your body uses to carry nutrients, immune cells, and oxygen to places that need repair. You don't have to run a marathon. Stretching your arms overhead counts. Walking slowly counts. Dancing while you do dishes absolutely counts. Fourth, calm the mind. Notice I didn't say stop thinking. That's impossible. But catch thoughts that create stress and ask yourself, is this helpful? If not, choose another. Your mind is a remote control. Just because a thought shows up doesn't mean you have to watch it. Fifth, kindness to your body. Actually speak kindly about it. You wouldn't scold a plant into growing. You wouldn't scream at a child to learn faster. Your body responds the same way. Softness accelerates growth. Criticism shuts it down. And sixth, gratitude. Not the forced, everything is wonderful all the time kind. Just noticing something that's working. Your heartbeat. Your lungs. Your eyes. A single part of your body that showed up for you today. Where attention goes, energy flows. When you thank your body, it performs even better. Now, let's weave in a little science you can hang your belief on. Your body constantly regenerates. Most of the cells in your body today won't exist a year from now. They are being replaced, recycled, renewed. As those new cells form, they respond to your environment. Stress chemistry tells them to armor up. Peace chemistry tells them to optimize, repair, and thrive. So your daily mindset is literally designing your future physical self. Isn't that extraordinary? You don't have to rebuild your entire health overnight. You just have to support the body in the tiniest ways, and it does the heavy lifting. Let's lean into the truth that you deserve to heal. A lot of people secretly block healing because they feel guilty or ashamed or undeserving. They think, I caused my problems, or I ignored my health too long, or it's too late for me. None of those sentences are true. Every single moment is a fresh beginning for the body. It never holds a grudge. It just picks up from now and continues doing its job. So if part of you believes you don't deserve health or you can't improve, I invite you to drop that thought today. It's not helping you, and it's not based in reality. You are worthy of feeling strong, energized, and vibrant, not because you earned it, but because that is your natural state. Let's affirm again, I deserve to feel well. I deserve care and attention. I honor my body as my home. I am in partnership with my healing. My health improves every day. I am grateful for the wisdom of my cells. I support my body, and my body supports me. You might feel a gentle shift as you say these things. Or maybe you don't yet, and that's okay too. Healing affirmations work even if you don't fully believe them at first. They're like sunlight to seeds underground. The change happens below the surface long before the sprout appears. Now let's talk about what derails healing most. Stress. Stress is the body's alarm bell. And a little stress is fine. It gets us out of bed, helps us meet deadlines, helps us grow. But constant stress creates inflammation, tension, fatigue, and confusion in the body. Think of stress like emergency mode. You wouldn't expect your phone to charge while you're using it at full brightness with every app running in the background, right? It's the same for your body. So the easiest way to speed your healing is to find tiny ways to lower the stress signal. You don't need a spa day or a silent retreat. Try things like stepping outside for fresh air, listening to soothing music, laughing at something silly, placing your hand over your heart and saying, I'm okay, or shutting your eyes for 30 seconds. Every moment you help your nervous system relax, you give your body an opportunity to repair and reboot. And here's a secret. Your body heals fastest when you believe it is healing, not because of magic, but because belief changes your physiology. When you expect your body to decline, you unconsciously behave like someone declining. You tense up, you stop trying, you overprotect, but when you expect improvement, your brain looks for solutions, your decisions shift, and your biology aligns. You step into co-creation with your body. Now let's go deeper with one more affirmation cycle this time. Imagine each statement moving through your whole body like warmth or light or comfort. My body heals naturally. I welcome balance and restoration. Every system in my body is sinking into harmony. I release old patterns, physically and emotionally. I am patient with the process. Healing is my birthright. I trust my body's wisdom. I feel myself becoming stronger each day. I honor where I am right now. All is unfolding for my highest good. Take a slow breath in. Hold gently. Release. You might notice that you're feeling a little quieter inside, more grounded in your body, more open to possibility. That is the state where healing blooms. As we come toward the closing of this time together, I want to leave you with something empowering. Healing is not a destination you have to chase. It is a rhythm already happening inside you. Your job is just to support it, not control it, not judge it, not demand it be faster. The body heals the way seasons change. Subtle, gradual, consistent. One leaf at a time, one moment at a time. And if you commit to one tiny supportive choice each day, just one, you will transform your physical experience far more than you imagine. Maybe your one thing is drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Maybe it's speaking kindly to yourself instead of making a joke at your own expense. Maybe it's stretching for 2 minutes. Maybe it's saying one affirmation before bed. Every small choice is a vote for your thriving future. Your body is on your side. It is your oldest friend. It learns from every experience, and it keeps showing up for you. It's time you show up for it too, and I know you can. If what you've heard today encourages you, if it gives you a spark of hope or a moment of peace, or if it reminds you of your power to heal, take action. Pick one sentence from today and repeat it tomorrow morning. Maybe share it with someone who needs it. And while you're here, you can like this video so it reaches more people who feel lost in their healing journey, or subscribe to explore more conversations like this. We heal better together, surrounded by support and community. You are a miracle in motion, even on the days you doubt it. Especially then, your body heals itself naturally, and today you just gave it another reason to. I'm cheering for you, and I can't wait for the moment when you realize how far you've come.